Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hope you are enjoying my digital lecture. I am Fariha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today my topic is word problem involving 4 operations. A company manufactures 52,545 motorcycles in a day. How much motorcycles can be manufactured in 310 days? So you are just going to circle the numbers first. Yes, then what you are going to do? Underline the question. Then you are going to box the keywords. And here the keywords are manufactures motorcycles a day, and you can see that 310 days means, or you can say that manufactured in 310 days. Here the keywords are as I told you. Now my dear students, I am going to evaluate the operation. Here the operation is how much motorcycles can be manufactured in 310 days. Means we are going to check the same motorcycles to be taken. We have a motorcycle manufactured in 1 day. Basically इसमें हमने क्या करना है, हमने एक बड़ी अमाउंट फाइंड आउट करनी है, और इसमें ये जो वर्ड है, विच वर्ड, हाउ मच मोटरसाइकिल्स कैन बी मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन हाउ मच डेज, 310 days. This is telling me that this is a multiplication word problem because of this word that we have less. We have 1 day amount and we are going to find out 310 days amount. Mean we are going to do multiply. So because this is how much motorcycles can be manufactured from this word. Now motorcycle, now I am going to rephrase the statements accordingly. So I will write it, motorcycle manufactured in a day is equals to 52,545. Then I will say it again that the second statement will be motorcycle manufactured in 310 days. How many number of days we have given? Yes. So number of days is equals to 310. Now we are going to say that motorcycle manufactured in 310 days is equals to, we are going to say the number, we are going to write the number, and we are going to multiply this number with 3 tens. We are going to multiply this number by 310. So we are going to have this division process, because now we are going to do step by step. We are going to do solution in steps. Now here the steps will be, you can see that these are the steps. I will write the numbers as you can see. Now I am going to multiply it by multiplication symbol. You can see the multiplication symbol. Now I will multiply the whole 52,545 by 0. We will have how many zeros? We will have 5 zeros. So I will write 5 zeros here. Now as the number 1 is at tens place, so I will write 1 0 over here. And then I am going to multiply the whole number, complete number, with the number 1. So we will get the whole and complete number as the same number, because when every number multiplied by the number will be the same number. Okay, so one number means that the number will come same. So I will write the complete number instead of repeating same separately. I am going to write down the complete number here. The complete number is 52,545 and with a 0. Now my dear students, here is 3. 3 is at 100 place. So I will write how many zeros? I will write 2 zeros over here. And I am going to do multiply this number 3 with this number 52,545. Starting with 1's place, 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. Then 5 will come here and 1 will come on the top of the number 4. Now 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 I will write 3 over here. You can see that. And 1 will go on the top of the number 5. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. I will write 6 here and 1 will go on the top of the number 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So I will write the number 7 here. You can see that. Now 3 5s are 15. Again 15, I will write the whole complete number 15 over here. You can see that. So I will write this question over here like this. Now the final thing is I need to write commas over here. So commas, you can see over here, these are the commas done. So I will say it, motorcycle manufactured in 310 days is equals to 16 million 288,950. So I will write the ending statement, which will be thus 16,288,950 motorcycles are manufactured in 310 days. Ali wants to distribute rupees 451,500 equally among 150 different needy and deserving families as a charity. Calculate the share of each family. These numbers are circled now. Now I am going to underline the statement. You can see that this is done. Underline the question is done. Now I am going to box the keywords. This is done. You can see that. Now I am going to say that what I am going to do. Evaluate the operation. The operation is going to be determined from the last sentence. Calculate the share of each family. Share of each word is telling you that this is a division problem. And the word equally means that no remainder means this is equally distributed, mean there is no remainder over here in this division problem. Now R stands for rephrasing the statements, and now S stands for solution in step by step. So we are going to do this one. So first statement will be total amount is equals to rupees 451,500, and second statement will be number of needy families are is equals to, which you can see from the question, 150, which is already circled. So now what we are going to find out? We are going to find out from check the underlined question is share of each family. So we are going to say that share of each family is equals to, now we will write this one in division symbol and we will write 150 here. This first one is, you know it already, this is dividend, this is divisor, and we are going to find out the quotient. So for doing this one, we will write it in step by step form. So I will put it inside, dividend inside and divisor outside. So we are going to use which rule? Yes, we remember. Do you remember the rules? Yes, these are the steps which we need to remember are DMSB. Division we have done. Now we are going to do multiplication, which is I am going to multiply 150 by the number 3 so that I will have an amount less than or equals to the number 450. I will get amount which is less than 451, that is 450. Then I will write subtraction, stands for S. So I will write minus over here, then draw a straight line, then do subtraction. 1 will be over here after subtracting, and then B stands for bring down. I will bring the number 5 down. But you can see that number 15 is less than the number 150, means that I can say it 150 multiplied by 0 is 0. So I will write zeros over here, 2 zeros, because in division we cannot bring two numbers down at the same time. So I will just put one number down and write 1 0 on the top with the quotient, and then I will write 2 zeros over here, and then I am going to do one thing, that is subtraction. 150 I will write here. Why 0? Because I will take this 0 from the top, which is in the dividend, as bringing down. Now 150 is multiplied by 1 is 150 multiplied by 1 is 150. I will write 150 over here and 1 on the top. Now I am going to do subtraction. 150 minus 150 is 0. I will write 0 here, but you can see that 1 0 is missing. You can see that in division there is 1 0 here. Means what we are going to do, instead of doing long division process, I can just put this 0 upward. Instead of doing the long division and writing 0 0 zeros again and doing subtraction, I will write 0 on the top with the quotient. So this 0 will go upward. So the final quotient which is we got without remainder is, the remainder over here you can see that this is 0. That is division without remainder. So I will write the answer which is over here on the top. Yes, you can see that. So the answer is share of each family is 310. Okay, so this is equal with equals to sign. If I will write that, then this will be a statement. But because we do write ending statement, so in ending statement or in ending sentence we do not have equality sign, so we can say it like thus Ali will distribute 3 rupees. How many rupees? Rupees 310 in these needy families. Okay, so this is the statement which is done now, and the questions of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division word problem I have done. Hope the whole and the complete steps are clear to you. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics with their tricks as well. Till then, take good care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.